3 though for me, dude. That's pulling drag.
Oh, that was a slab. I'll let this one go. It's small compared to the other ones. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode. We're out here again. This time we're in some kayak. Donnie's over here. He's in his kayak. I'm gonna get you switched over to the chest cam, and we're gonna start getting after it. We got a few different things rigged up, and we're gonna enjoy this evening out here on Lake Mendocino and see what's gonna happen. Let's go. See that? Hand size.
Well, since it was that easy, you want me to let him go?
Yeah.
Keep playing? See you later, guys.
I got hit. I'm on.
Yeah.
That's kind of small though. Alright. Oh, bad one. Let's see what else we can get. Missed it.
Baits already.
You keep missing it.
What are you using? That's awesome. The Guggen one?
Yeah.
You already got one on it, right?
Yeah, and I just got like 4 bites and they bunched the tail all up, so it wasn't gonna hook set them.
That's number 3 though for me, dude. That's pulling drag.
Oh, that was a slab.
Oh. Guggen packaging, man. Guggen?
Yep. Ooh. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's a good one right there. So I'm just letting it pendulum back towards me, and then twitching it every once in a while. But
yeah, usually, as far as I've seen, they kind of hit it on the drops usually, real quick. If they're not gonna, they're not gonna. Give it back to them. But I mean, it's pretty similar to what I grabbed with that Guggen. It's just a little, almost like a little minnow, without just got a pointed tail. Yeah, he had it, dude. He had it. He was just fucking cruising with it.
That's another keeper size. Good one.
I love these hooks, dude. Just the style. Right here.
You good? You get snagged? You on? Oh. Yeah. It's a better one.
That one? Oh, that's a better one.
I'll let this one go. It's small compared to the other ones. You tore up my plastic, you little bastard.
Just found the log they're on.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Just come off so easily.
Yeah. Oh, no way. What?
That's hard to stop. One of these times you're gonna pull up a fucking log. You're gonna pull up one that's
Almost took my rod in the water.
you're gonna find it. You know there's a fucking monster down there that's waiting to come on.
Like my jig was barely in the water.
Yeah, no, they're chilling right here on the spot. I mean, when they wherever they are, they're schooled up. It's just the kind of fish they are. Oh shit! There's more there. This little dangle dart's getting work. Where'd you find these at Dick's?
Dick's down in Santa Rosa.
Okay. I was surprised to see Walmart had some of their shit. And then they got some. That's a snag, huh? Swing over there. Above it. Did you get it?
Nope, I'm gonna have to break this off. I'm in wood. That's alright. Yeah, I broke it.
Oh no. Redemption?
First drop with it. Yeah, first drop with my own swim bait. All right, dude. You're not big enough to keep. Go grow some more. Oh, dude, I got the smallest bass ever. Yeah. Ow, you dick. I'm trying to help you. I wasn't trying to catch you. A little largemouth. Bye, dude. There we go. That's a better one. Yeah. All right. No, this one's going back. It's not. I mean, it's good size. Just broke me off in the net. Kind of pissed me off. I kind of want to put you on the stringer, but I got to retie cast of them now. If we kept everything we caught, yeah. If I'm gonna fillet a fish, I'm gonna fillet a fish. I'm not filleting minnows.
But it's a crap. Oh, shit, it's not bad, dude.
You can keep that, yeah.
Keep it and call it if we get a bigger one. Do it that way.
If it's going on the stringer, I'm keeping it.
It's up to you, bud.
Yeah, we'll keep it. There's one. And he's off. We call that a quick release where I'm from. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to shoot him. Dare me?
Go ahead.
Hey! I got him. That would have been a funny video.
I didn't have the angle on it.
Shooting crap.
There we go. Yep. Slab. Oh yeah. Barely hooked. This one's been caught before. This new reel's putting in work too. There we go. Doesn't feel as big. It actually is. Yeah. You got a bass?
Oh, fuck, I don't know what it was. Max was at me. That was a pretty good. I don't know, it's funny how he hit, dude. He hit it like a fucking palm. Dude. Would you throw me another one of these? Look at this.
Yeah.
Dude,
Hold on.
this is a good, dude, this thing's totally dissected. It's like major fucking get out of it. Look at that.
No. That's a good crappie.
It's long looking. That one's not as pretty with the spots, huh? Okay. Double hook it. That's a good one too, dude.
This is on my own bait right now.
Well, you're smacking them all?
Yeah.
You got any more of them?
No.
That was the last one you had, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at it, just totally dissected down the middle.
I'm gonna have to retie that.
Oh my. Is there any that you haven't used yet of the fucking googies?
Yeah.
I think that size though. I don't know if the drop shot size, that's a little big.
Yeah, I make this swim bait. This is
That's badass.
the 2-inch slick swim from Epic Bait Molds.
You gonna recall?
Yeah. But
Curious, dude, because I'll probably get a fucking jig in. You want me to hand you?
yeah, pull that bag out.
Oh, it's fucking heavy, dude.
Yeah, I got too much shit in there.
You get another one of them dangle darts. You only got one color of those, right?
Yeah, I only got the natural of those.
Okay. Those are working good. What else you got over there? Smaller, not those big swim baits. I don't think they're gonna hit that.
You want to try that?
Yeah, let me try that. It's tiny. Yeah.
This is what I smacked them on to begin with.
Oh, were you?
Yeah.
That's a little mini swim bait, huh? It's kind of the same size as the one you made.
It's a 2-inch, but this is more of a Kitech style with the ribs.
Oh, I got you.
Alright, we just shored up on this island for a minute so we could take a stretch break and a piss break. Don't worry, I ain't going to show you those little worms. But anyway, caught probably, what do you say, twice as many as we kept and released?
For sure. Probably almost 30 fish.
Yeah, between the two of us, for a minute there, it was like almost one after the other. We doubled up probably 8 or 9 times. So far, we've got 10 on the stringer. I don't really want to keep more than that. Where we're at, it's 25 per person per day, and no size limits. But we released quite a few that were smaller, some were bigger. Anyway, it's just an overall good day. And if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.